Hi. Well, I spoke to the owner, and she is actually a woman of about my age living on her own, and she seemed pretty positive about me staying in this old shade house, because I think from her point of view she wants me to tidy it up, and it's going to be to her advantage that I do so. And in addition to that, she's asked me if I can help her with doing some of her garden work. And I'm very keen on gardening because, as you can see from this fig tree that I had in my previous shelter, I brought it up today in this wheelbarrow. Quite a journey for me actually. It was about 300 meters away from my old shelter. And I brought it up here, and as you can see, there's a row of bays. Remember I said in my previous video that this shade house has got 64 bays in it. So yes, this is the start of a big project. I have got many more of this plant material in my old shelter in pots, and I will be bringing them up here in this wheelbarrow as and when I can. In the meantime, well, things are progressing. I'm now moving in, and I will catch up with you later. So please be interested in my project. I'm sure it's going to be successful. Have a look at my future videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.